Hey there, welcome back to Featherwood Farm. We're in the cottage garden in front of the greenhouse right now, and I'm going to hang some window baskets. We had these right here. When we moved in, they were on the upper tier of our deck that we had removed a couple years ago, and you know, hang on to things because I knew I could use it at some point, and I thought they would look really cute, just kind of attached and planted up. So we're gonna see how that goes. I'm not really a big container person. I like them. I like them a lot. I just don't do a whole lot of annual containers or annuals in general, but I thought this would be a really sweet addition to the greenhouse, and we're gonna see how my combination looks together. Maybe this will be the start of something new for me. Maybe it'll convert me to more annual containers. We'll see. So, see? Okay, really in there. Okay. 36. Okay, so this side is a little bit narrower than that side as far as the windows go. I don't know if these are going to be very centered. We'll just have to see. I'm thinking it'll look good if I at least center it to the window that it's on. So I think that should be my goal. Now, because these were meant to go on like the deck, they had these, oops, brackets that were attached to the back, and then you screwed into the top of the rail on here. But I don't have that, so I removed those, and I'm just going to put the screws through these two holes. They're gonna have to kind of hang a bit because I think, oh no, it is tight. Okay, never mind that. Never mind. Okay. Gaps in these bars on these baskets are just narrow enough that my drill doesn't fit. So, yet it did through this one. This one it did, okay. Okay, and these are just molded cocoa coir liners that I picked up Home Depot. I think you can get kind of anywhere that sells garden stuff. They're 24 inches. I don't think I mentioned that. Okay, and this is Fox Farm Happy Frog mix. It is something that I had on hand that I picked up I don't know, maybe a month or so ago, a few bags, because I got a really good price on it. Feel free to use whatever you have on hand or have access to. This does not have fertilizer in it, so I will be fertilizing them if I stay on top of it weekly. And I should have clarified, that's actually why I don't do a whole lot of annual container plantings. I'm just not good about remembering to water, and here on my property I don't use any sort of irrigation system, so I have no drip set up for anything. We get enough moisture that it's usually just fine, and the plants fare just fine. We have had in recent years a couple of periods of drought where I have had to supplementally water things, but that's just not kind of the style that I want to get into of gardening. I kind of want my plants to fend for themselves. I don't want to have to coddle things too much and water them. If I had something very special to me that needed a little extra attention, then I might. But otherwise, everyone fend for themselves in this garden. But containers will be the exception. So I got Stratosphere White Gaura, which is great because they sell these as annuals, but Gaura can be a perennial, is a perennial. Yeah, 6A, which we have recently been classified to. I've never tried to, I don't think, or maybe I have. Maybe I have tried growing Gaura in the past and was unsuccessful, but I think that was more due to the soil conditions that I had it in than anything else. But there's that. So this is gonna kind of be my thriller, my tall, spiky. Then I got Supertunia lattes. This is actually what inspired the whole thing. I love these. I saw a photo of them on Pinterest and I just love the kind of soft white petals with these dark red, brown, black centers. It's great. And Angel Wings Senecio, which actually are apparently hardy to a zone 6 also. And lastly, a potato vine. This is Sweet Caroline Sweetheart Mahogany. Potato vine. And I thought that this color of the foliage would really, really look nice against those centers of the latte Supertunias. Now, I want the Gaura to kind of be in the back and fill out. And I want the sweet potato to kind of be center and spill over. And then the Supertunias on either side filling out. I think that should look good. We're gonna try it regardless. Okay, and so I had initially put enough soil in to cover the bottom, and then I was able to come in, put the annuals in, and they're about flush with the top of the cocoa coir now. And now I'm just gonna come in and fill the empty space with soil. This one looks better than the other one. Supertunia lattes, sweet potato vine, angel wings, and a Gaura. And so this will kind of be my test for myself, if I can handle, if I'm responsible enough to grow annuals in containers. I've been growing some nasturtiums, and I have a couple of containers that I want to put those in. So I think I can make that work. But yeah, baby steps. It should look really nice though. I already like the way that it looks popped against the black. So thank you for joining me today on this new to me project, and we'll see you in the next video.